Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about Bluetooth earphone setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, we will talk about how to unpair this earphone to our phone in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to unpair, so you can unpair. In this video I will show you how to unpair. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. First of all, open your phone setting and guys click on Bluetooth and device. Click on Bluetooth option and guys you can see this Ubon CL20 guys. I want to unpair, so guys icon option, this click here, click on guys forget, then guys okay. So guys this Bluetooth earphone will unpair in your Vivo phone. So we will off it. So I think friends we have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphone in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.